I am Dr. Iftikhar Ahmad Saifi from India. I am a Unani and a naturopathic doctor. I did my bachelor's of Unani medicine and surgery from India and the doctor of naturopathic medicine from California, USA. Have you or someone you care about been struggling with diabetes, or trying to lose some extra weight, or maybe dealing with other inflammatory health conditions? If so, you are in the right place. Meet Aisha, a 34-year-old mother of two. For years, she faced the challenges of type 2 diabetes and obesity. Fatigued and unable to keep up with her kids, she knew something had to change. One day, she discovered the benefits of low-carb eating and intermittent fasting. Aisha decided it was time for a change. She began her journey with a 16-8 intermittent fasting schedule, eating from noon to 8 p.m. Focusing on whole foods like lean proteins, fresh vegetables, and healthy fats, she cut out sugary snacks and refined carbs. In just 6 months, Aisha lost 18 kilograms. Her blood sugar levels stabilized. Today, she feels more energetic than ever, enjoying quality time with her children and even taking up running. Bilal also started with a 16-8 intermittent fasting schedule. He focused on vegetables, nuts, and lean meats, embracing meal prep to avoid unhealthy snacks. Over the course of a year, Bilal lost 17 kilograms. His blood sugar levels returned to normal, and he gained confidence in his appearance. Now he's hitting the gym and inspiring others in his community. In today's fast-paced world, navigating health journeys can be tough, especially when managing diabetes or losing weight. Knowledge alone isn't enough. You need a structured program that guides you along the way. Our program offers a step-by-step approach to understanding and adopting a low-carb diet and intermittent fasting. You'll learn practical strategies to integrate them into your daily life. No more endless searching for reliable information. Our program consolidates everything you need in one place, with easy-to-follow handbook and instructions breaking down low-carb eating and intermittent fasting. Enjoy over 60 delicious recipes that save you time in the kitchen while helping you stay healthy. Delicious breakfasts. Start your day right with mouth-watering options that stabilize blood sugar. Satisfying lunches and dinners. Enjoy nutrient-rich meals that are low in carbs but high in flavor, and last but not the least, guilt-free desserts. Indulge your sweet tooth without the sugar spikes. Our team has dedicated countless hours to create this thoughtfully designed program, ensuring these recipes help you enjoy nutritious meals that support your health goals. But here's the exciting part. Are you feeling overwhelmed by health costs? We believe everyone deserves access to better health. That's why we've made it easier than ever. You can choose to pay what you want at checkout. Yes, you heard that right. And if you're on a budget right now and can't pay anything, no worries. You can choose to pay $0 at checkout and receive the full health program for free. We want to remove barriers between you and your healthy journey. Start today, because every step counts. But don't wait too long. This special offer might not last forever. Take advantage of it while you can. If you know friends or family who could benefit from this program, share this video with them. Let's spread the gift of health together. Wishing you all the best on your journey to a healthier life. Join us now and discover how delicious healthy living can be.